This is the 10th part of our first lesson and Astrologer's Day. So open your books, page number 6 and paragraph number 4. Guru Nayak, you know my name? The other said, taken aback. So what is the meaning of taken aback? Look at the board. Taken aback, it means shocked or surprised. So when the astrologer spoke by the name of that person who was a stranger, and astrologer said Guru Nayak, so that person shocked. He surprised. How did this astrologer know my name? So after that, as I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days journey due north. The meaning of due here, due it means directly. Due north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. So here the astrologer said that I know your name and I know other things also about you. That your village is in the north direction and the distance is to come here or from here to go to your village takes 2 days. And there is also one thing. After this, if you leave your village, so there will be danger to your life. You will die. He took out a pinch. Look at the meaning of pinch. To pinch, it means to press tightly between the thumb and a finger. So this is pinch. The astrologer took something in his pinch. Pinch of sacred ash. Sacred, it means holy. The meaning of this word I have given you in the last part. Sacred ash and held it to him. So suddenly the astrologer took a pinch of holy ash and put it on the forehead of the stranger person, that other person. Rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again and you will live to be 100. After that the astrologer said to the stranger person that take this and rub it on your forehead, and after this don't come again in the south direction. If you come, so that will be very dangerous for you. You may die in that journey. So therefore, if you avoid a journey in the direction of south, then you will live for 100 years. Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively. Look at the meaning of reflectively. It means thoughtfully. So this stranger person obviously very emotionally attached with that astrologer, and now he was ready to listen everything, to follow everything, whatever that astrologer is going to tell him. Therefore, he was looking very thoughtful and he said, why should I travel in any direction, especially in the southern direction? I will stay at home and live for 100 years. I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. The meaning of choke out, look at here. Choke out, it means, in this lesson, the meaning of choke out is kill by pressing neck. Choke out his life if I met him. The other said, before this I didn't know that the person who attacked on me and left me to die, that person is alive or not. And I went in search of him. If I met him, then I decided to choke out his neck, press his neck and kill him. But he is not alive. So, after this, he shook his head regretfully. Look at the meaning of regretfully. It means sadly. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped. Escape, it means to get free. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. And after that, this stranger person was looking very sad. He shook his head sadly and said, he escaped, he get free from my hands. I wanted to kill him, but I think that he may have died very badly. And why? Because that person deserved that kind of death. This was the thinking of this other person. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed. Look at the meaning of crushed. Press so as to break. He was crushed under a lorry. Look at the meaning of lorry. Lorry, it means truck. Under a lorry, the other looked gratified. The meaning of gratified is given here. Please satisfied to hear it. So when the astrologer said that other person, that stranger person, that the person who wanted to kill you, that person died very badly. He had accident with a lorry, with a truck, and he crushed under the wheel of that lorry, and his body break there and he died there. After hearing this kind of death of that person, this stranger person became very happy. The place was deserted. Look at the meaning of desert here. It means appear empty. Deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles it means things, objects, everything, his equipments, and put them into his bag. So they had a long conversation there, the astrologer and the other person, and between that the place became completely empty. There were no one looking. And after this completion of the conversation, the astrologer started to fill his bag with his articles, his equipments, his things. The green shaft, the meaning of this word I have given in the last part. Shaft, it means a ray of light. Shaft was also gone, leaving the place in darkness and silence. So there was a small ray of light that was also gone, and the place was completely dark. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving the astrologer a handful of coins. Handful, this is called handful, full of hand. So in that night, in that darkness, the stranger first gave handful coins into the hand of that astrologer, and then went away in the dark night in the direction of his village. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.